welcome back to my video. Today is Vlogmas day 15. Craziness that this month is just flying by. Like, I can't believe next week is Christmas, and then the day after Christmas is my son's birthday, and he's gonna be 1. And that just that by itself just blows my mind. 1 year old already. But anyways, today's video is gonna be all about Boxycharm. So this month's theme is bubbles and glitz. This is what the little card thing says on it, and the theme. And it has a weird, like a long number at the bottom of the heart. So that's different. I have Boxy Lux this month. And if you guys are in the same boat, I got my Boxycharm late. I guess they were either behind or whatever it was with sending Boxycharm, you know, the boxes out and stuff. But anyways, this is my big old box that I got this month. So it looks like I got 8 items in this month's box. So I'm going to start pulling things out and I'm going to show you guys what I got. So the first thing I pulled out is the Good Genes All-in-One Lactic Acid Treatment from Sunday O'Reilly. I've heard so many, sorry about my nails, y'all, I need to paint them tonight. I'm gonna paint them tonight. But so I've heard so many good things about this brand, and I know it's hella expensive. So this costs $85. So that's craziness. This is 1 fluid ounce. So this is a targeted lactic acid treatment. It exfoliates and boosts natural youthful radiance. We love radiance because I need some radiance right now because I feel like my skin is just not, she ain't with it, okay? We're not doing so well over here. It's supposed to reduce the looking of lines, wrinkles, dark spots. So I'm gonna be trying this out. Like I said, that is $85. That is all lots of money. Next thing I got was one of the items that you can actually choose. And this is the earrings from Zaxi. And this is retails for $36. So I really didn't want to choose the earrings. I wanted to choose the teeth whitener, but they were sold out. I got my email or looked at my email late, and by the time I went to go choose what I wanted, for the items for my box, that stuff was sold out. But I mean, they're still cute and stuff. I'll wear them and everything. I think they're super cute. The next thing that I chose, I think I got to choose 2 things. And I chose the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss, the tinted something lip butter. And the shade that I chose was Keep It Rio. And I don't have this shade, and this one is, let's see how much this is. This is $20, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this up for you guys. So this is what the component looks like. And that's what that looks like. It looks really pretty. Smells decent. Let's try it. Doesn't have like a tint. It says tinted, but I don't think it's tinted. I think it just feels really hydrating on the lips. So I like that. I like the smell of it and everything. So that's cool. Next thing is a palette. Now, how many of you guys got the Artist Couture palette? I seen some people in the base box get that. And your girl is jealous over here because I love me some Artist Couture products, you guys. So this is the carton. This is from C Notes. Let me see. Oh, Hip Dot C Note Pressed Eyeshadow Palette retails for $30. Really pretty. I haven't swatched anything. It comes with a nice mirror, and these are the shades. Really pretty shades. I love this shade right here. I'm not sure if I'll actually use it or not, so I might hold on to that. Maybe I'll give it away. We'll see. But very pretty colors. But yeah, I was super jealous with the people that got the Artist Couture palette because I love Artist Couture. Okay, moving on. I got the Iconic London. Girl, what are you? Iconic London Blaze Tracer Face Palette. This is expensive, $55. It's a face palette featuring 6 shades of butter smooth velvety powders. Complements all skin tones. So comes with a mirror, and this is the shades that it has. So, oh, they're pretty soft. It's kind of more on the powder. Like the first two feel like really powdery, kind of. Very interesting. It's not wowing me, but yeah, I don't know. I'll have to actually try it on my skin to see if I like it and stuff. Next thing, I got this Reza Be Obsessed Love My Leave-In for all hair types. So this is $22. It says formulated with the gold infused shield. Leave-in features 7 mystic ingredients. So it's a leave-in conditioner. Okay, so that's what this thing is. It's a leave-in conditioner that retails for $22. And I think I have 2 more items, you guys. I got the Symbiosis, I don't know. London, this is a hyaluronic acid and polymin, I don't know if I said that right, tightening, and it's an eye mask. Yeah, so this thing right here is an eye mask. So very interesting. This little thing right here is, how much are you? Damn, shit. This is $93. Ooh, girl. It's an eye mask in cream to tighten, rejuvenate, and brighten the delicate eye area. This eye mask, it has a hyaluronic, shea butter, reduces puffiness, appearance of fine lines and dark circles. We're gonna try this out. This little thing is $93. For real? Like, why? Why is it $93? Somebody answer me. Why? I'm gonna throw my box on the floor. Okay, the last thing, I honestly think between these Sunday Rileys and this right here, I'm like most excited about these 2 things. The other stuff, if I would have got the Artist Couture palette, I would have been hyped, right? So I got Lexi brush set, and this retails for $85. Lexi brush is pretty expensive brand. It's a pretty expensive brand, but I mean, you get good quality and stuff, and I'm just glad that I get in my Boxycharm. So comes with this cute little pouch that you put your brushes in and stuff. Really cute, very festive color. And it comes with all these face brushes and stuff. You can use this brush as a contour, to cream contour. This brush you can use to either wipe away your powder when you're baking, or whatever you want to use it for. You can use this to apply your foundation, or you can even use it as a mask. Honestly, I've seen a few people like to apply their mask with certain brushes like that. Then we have our eyeshadow brushes all right here, and this is very pretty. It's gold and just really cute. So yeah, that's $85. Really expensive, but I'm just glad I got in my Boxycharm. Like I said before, this is all the items I got. Let me know if you got the same items in your box. Do you like it? Do you love it? Do you hate it? What are your thoughts on this month's Boxycharm? And yeah, if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a big thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe to my channel before you leave, please. And yeah, I think tomorrow's video is gonna be completely different. I might do some makeup, we'll see. It's been a little hard to record. Baby he's been fussy, he's getting his teeth in and all that stuff. So just bear with me with kind of uploading a little bit later than usual and stuff. So, but yeah, this is what I got in my box this month. If you enjoyed it, just give this video a like, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.